welcome to the channel. In this video I will tell you how to use McDonald's app. Firstly guys, download and install the app. So depending on what kind of phone you have, it's going to be Google Play Store or App Store. After that, search for McDonald's and download. Open the app. After that, sign up or log in. If you already have an account, tap on login, provide your credentials. You may also link your accounts to Google, Facebook or Apple for quick access. After that, which is a necessary step by the way, enable location services. Basically allow the app to access your location to find nearby McDonald's, restaurants and special offers available in your area. You can after explore the app features, for example, check out the deals, browse the full McDonald's menu, track your points or rewards if your region has a loyalty program as well. After that, the next step is placing an order. Go to the order section and select a nearby restaurant. Add items to your cart by tapping on your desired food or drinks. Review your order and proceed to checkout. Choose a pickup option. You have drive-thru. You can pick up your order from the drive-thru. You have curbside, park at a designated spot, and staff will bring out your order to your car. Dine in, choose a pick up your food inside the restaurant, and delivery if available. After that, just make a payment with a method that you desire, which is credit or debit card, Google Play, Apple Pay or cash. Confirm your payment. For pickup or delivery, use the app to track and the status of your order in real time. Let me know if you'd like this. Let me know if you need any other tips in the description. Guys, and this is how it's done. Thank you for watching. Like the video, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.